Welcome to Businesso. If you have a store on Shopify, you've made a lot of choices. The whole world stands before you and the possibilities are endless. There are over 6,000 Shopify apps you can install today. But, isn't that too good a thing? What's your next step? How do you want to grow your store and what techniques will you use to increase sales? Don't worry. We have compiled a list of the best Shopify apps for you. In this video, what is a Shopify app? Free Shopify tools to promote your online store. The best alternative to popular apps created by Shopify. More tips related to popular Shopify plugins. Now, what is the best product for Shopify? Which can improve your customer service? Let's break it down and find out. Here are the best and most popular Shopify apps. 1. Tidio, live chat and chatbots. 2. OmniSend, email and SMS marketing. 3. Privy, pop-ups, email and SMS. 4. Judge.me, product reviews. 5. Pagefly, landing page builder. 6. Smile, rewards and loyalty. 7. Printful, print on demand. 8. Oberlo, dropshipping app. 9. Referral Candy. 10. Klaviyo, email marketing and SMS. When choosing our must-have Shopify app, we were guided by factors such as user ratings and number of installs. These are the most popular and advanced plugins such as Shopify and other services such as Capterra and G2. 1. Tidio, live chat and chatbots. We can't be proud of ourselves, can we? But we can say some interesting figures. Tidio is the most popular live chat app for Shopify. In 2021, widgets were added to over 170,000 Shopify stores. Some of our users say that Tidio is the best e-commerce customer service and marketing automation solution. No list of the best apps for Shopify could be complete without Tidio. You can use it for direct communication with your website visitors, lead generation, retrieving abandoned shopping carts, and much more. Key features. Customize the Tidio chat widget. Visitor information and monitoring. 3 automatic messages and responses are set. AI chatbots have target recognition features. Lead generation and abandonment mode. Free advanced chatbot builder. Connect with popular CRM solutions. Facebook Messenger/Instagram link. Mobile apps push notifications for agents. Package price. Free eternal plan, unlimited conversations and plot stories. Starter plans, premium plans and other agent seats start at $19 per month. Chatbots plans are available for $49 per month. 2. OmniSend, email and SMS marketing. OmniSend is a dedicated email and SMS marketing automation tool to help e-commerce stores capture customers and drive sales. It offers strategies focused on increasing sales. This Shopify tool also helps stores build loyalty through automation, segmentation, and personalized processing using email, text, and opt-in notifications. Key features. A library of ready-to-use email templates and styles. Predefined domain rules and automated workflows. Different integrations include Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. A/B testing for email content and workflow segmentation. Customer support is available 24/7. An automatic sign is delivered to your store and email. Package price. OmniSend is free up to 250 contacts and 500 emails per month. Standard paid plans start at $16 per month. 3. Privy, pop-ups, email, and SMS. Privy is one of the best Shopify apps for marketing. It offers a great set of tools that can significantly improve your conversion rate. You can add exit registration wheels, banners, and pop-ups to collect contact information. Once you have created your customer database, you can reach your customers with marketing emails and SMS. The second option works like a charm and is very effective. SMS open rates are almost 5 times higher than the average email open rate. Key features. Customizable pop-ups, flags, and wheels. Best email marketing styles for different situations. A/B testing and conversion tools. The email service system has been abandoned for e-commerce businesses. Advanced customer segmentation options. Payment options for sales and sales. Package price. Free plan up to 100 contacts. Large mailing list and auto recovery from $15 for 1,000 contacts. Other packages available. 4. Judge.me, product reviews. Judge.me is one of Shopify's most popular apps in the customer research category. It is the best in product analysis, an analysis tool developed by the company Shopify. Why should you choose Judge.me if the product review is the most frequently installed solution? This will be clear once you compare the ratings of these two apps. Judge.me has managed to beat Shopify at its own game, in the same way Tidio is a more popular plugin than Shopify's inbox. Key features. Free preview of product pages with photos and videos. Optimized for search engine snippets. Share research on social networks such as Facebook. Explore pages, floating tabs and explore carousels. Budgeting and other tools for tracking campaigns have been developed. Partner with Pushal for notifications. Package price. Forever free plan, unlimited product reviews and review management are available on the free plan. Great deals, site monitoring, custom templates, and coupons starting at $15 per month. 5. Pagefly Landing Page Builder. Sometimes every business owner has needs that go beyond the standard features offered by an e-commerce platform. Pagefly Landing Page Builder is one of those Shopify apps that does exactly what it says on the box. You can use it to create custom landing pages with great features like a timer or a free delivery bar. Key features. Sales page templates and product landing pages. Content presentation as a slideshow. Landing pages for Facebook ads and other paid marketing campaigns. Back to stock, out of stock and page coming soon. FAQ page for better customer support. Package price. The free plan has a limit of 1 page per page type. You can increase your limit with silver, gold and platinum pricing plans, starting at $19 per month. 6. Smile, rewards and loyalty. Humor helps you build a loyalty program for your customers. With this Shopify app, you will be able to use pop-ups and other apps to encourage your customers to get offers and earn points. According to the Built With report of popular apps used by Shopify websites, Smile is one of the most installed apps when it comes to the top 1 million pages on the internet. Incentives for loyal customers are an effective strategy for increasing turnover, average cost, and customer retention. If you want to have more sales, you need to consider smiling. Key features. Set up customized rewards for actions like placing orders. Abandoned car water for use has a reminder. Customers can redeem their rewards at checkout. Customizable reward bars and buttons to match your Shopify store. One-click integration with Looks, MailChimp, Judge.me and others. Other referral programs and social proof features. Pricing plans. Free Forever Plan, comes with default email and basic search. Starter Plan, costs $49 per month and gives you more flexibility. Growth Plan, pop up on the site with limited time for $199 per month. Pro, for $599 per month you get the VIP program and additional features for Shopify Plus. 7. Printful, print on demand. Have you ever thought of starting an online store? It may surprise you, but you can sell quality clothes with custom designs without having to store them or deal with the printing process. Publish is one of the best Shopify tools that allows you to add product types that will be recommended once someone buys them. It's a great solution. Main features. There are no upfront or hidden fees, you only pay when customers order items. A wide selection of high-quality products in which you can print your creations. A user-friendly tool for mock-up, visualization, and packaging design. Warehousing, shipping and fulfillment powered by Printful. Connect directly to your Shopify store with no additional software required. It connects to eBay, Etsy, or Amazon. Pricing plans. Printful is completely free to use and there are no subscription fees. You only pay for what you sell. 8. Oberlo, Shopify app for dropshipping. Oberlo, next to Publish, is the second of the must-have apps for Shopify diving. The concept is very simple. This plugin allows you to add selected products from AliExpress products to your Shopify store. You can import products from any category. Packages will reach your customers in packages with your own label. It's a super easy way to start making money while running your store on a shoestring budget. Main features. A real system review. Automatic pricing and product updates. Customized product name, photo and description. Recommendations are based on popular products for sale. Chrome extension to add AliExpress items in a few clicks. Large format and automatic execution. Pricing plans. The free plan has a limit of 500 products. If you need more and get some additional features such as the shipment tracking and CAPTCHA solver, go with the Boss plan, $29 per month. 9. Referral Candy, launch a referral program. Referral Candy is all you need to set up your own referral program. Instead of redoing your sales channels, you can give your existing customers better incentives and bring their friends. It is one of the best Shopify marketing tools. With Referral Candy, you can set up different types of rewards and make the link building process quick and easy. It's like stealing candy from a baby. Main features. buyback emails and pop-ups to sign up existing customers, branded customer experience on custom landing pages, translate your ad formats into multiple languages, using Center Fraud to detect suspicious activity automatically, integrates with Shopify marketing tools and Google Analytics. Pricing plans. There is no free plan available, but you can try this solution for 30 days free of charge. Referral candy costs $49 per month and there are small commissions on successful sales. 10. Klaviyo Email Marketing and SMS. Klaviyo is the king of Shopify email marketing apps. It comes in the form of automated outbound emails and offers some of the best tools for e-commerce. More than 265,000 businesses worldwide use Klaviyo as their primary solution for retargeting and email marketing. Main features: pre-built templates and over 175 email templates. Email template builder and organizer. Automation designed for Shopify e-commerce. Integrates with Aftership, Facebook, Zendesk and other apps. Marketing analysis and customer success metrics are important. Dynamic models and A/B testing. Pricing plans. Klaviyo is free for up to 250 contacts. The premium paid plans start at $20 per month. Additional SMS features will cost you $5 per month. Conclusion. It's up to you to decide which Shopify app you want. However, those featured in this article are the creme de la creme. These are the best Shopify apps, trusted bets by tens of thousands of Shopify stores. Remember, there is no best Shopify tool to increase sales because the process is complex. You need to deliver A-class customer support, do great marketing, and make your store attractive and attractive. The solutions and platforms mentioned above cover all these things, and you can treat them as the most popular tools of Shopify. Which Shopify app is best suitable for your needs at first glance? Let us know in the comment section and be sure to subscribe Businesso.